Hi kids! Oh wow! A bunny! This is so cute! A yellow color bunny. Do you like it, kids? You can also open this.
Wow! Wow!
Let's open it.
No. Hiya!
Wow, small candies. Let's join it. Now keep it aside. Let's learn alphabets. Purple. J. J for jasmine. Jasmine is a flower. J. Orange. K. K for kiwi. Kiwi is a fruit. K. Light green. L. L for lion. Lion is an animal. L. Pink. M. M for mongoose. Mongoose is an animal. M. Our next color is sky blue. N. N for nightingale. Nightingale is a bird. N. Red. O. O for ostrich. Ostrich is a bird. O. Green. P. P for parakeet. Parakeet is a bird. P. Yellow. Q. Q for quail. Quail is a bird. Q. Our last color is blue. R. R for rose. Rose is a flower. R. Now say with me, kids. J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. Bye bye kids, keep learning and also subscribe to my channel.